New registration, so we're buying the 23 cars. Here we go. 2023 delivery miles, Borasco Grey, Range Rover Sport, Dynamic SE. Go on Auto Trader, put in 2023 new Range Rover Sport. It's the best price car in the country. So before you ring us and ask us about the price and try and negotiate on the price, just ring me and give me a deposit because it's the best by bar none. Delivery miles, 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. Borasco Grey, so we've got this new, beautiful, pearlescent grey metallic. It's a dynamic, so we've got the dynamic styling, the inserts, the little bits of bronze. 21-inch wheels, which are done in gloss black. You've got the red calipers as well. Privacy glass, all the new styling, so you've got your deployable handles. You've got these beautiful new slick windows without the trims at the bottom, which look really well. And then you've got them wonderful LED lights at the back, huge spoiler, rear diffuser which is done in gloss black, so the car looks tremendous. Look at them lights, show you that again. Look at this. How nice is that? Ebony inside, so it's got black leather, which I think, black wheels, Borasco, I think black leather is lovely. Show you inside, it's all keyless entry. And there we have it, still got all the blue protection stickers on. We've got memory seats, we've got Meridian speaker system. It's got the sliding panoramic sunroof. Very important, that's an optional extra. You don't get that as standard. That's been paid for as an option. So sliding sunroof. Now, if we get in, seats are very, very comfortable in the new Sport. The seating position, everything about it. So the seats are 20-way heated seats. So they're very, very comfortable. Lots of lumbar, lots of different features. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control is now standard. Great features, these standard features. Beautiful 3D surround digital cockpit. You've then got this huge 13.1 inch screen. You've got the largest centre console, which is being raised in the centre just to add to that sportier feel. If I go into the main menu, you've then got your multimedia, your cabin light, and it's got Android Auto. You've got the fantastic camera system. Just put that in there, which is 3D surround camera system, superb. There you have it. And then you've got, you know, I mentioned it earlier, you've got heated seats, driver and passenger. I'll just show you the adjustments I was talking about. So here is all the different lumbar options, and it makes a big difference. It's very, very comfortable. The seats have completely been transformed. So moving up, we've got internal blind for one button, and then if we press it again, we've then got tilt, and then we've got sliding sunroof. Car, like I said, delivery miles, smells new, is new. So desirable, these cars. In the rear, we've got rear heated seats. Beautiful in the rear. Rear electric adjustable seats there. You've got Meridian speakers as well. And also you've got lots of space. I'm just going to quickly show you. So the seating in the rear now, there's more leg room. They're a little bit bigger in the back. And when you sat here, it's hard to show you, but when you sat here, it feels a lot more roomier than the older model. It does. The whole seating position, you can see that big centre console, and all you see is that big 13.1 inch screen. It works really tremendous. And then in the back, we've got great boot space, which is huge. As you can see, them seats can be dropped by the press of a button as well, and you've got an air suspension button. So Sports are popular because of the size. They're a nice size. They're not huge, but they've got plenty of room. And the new ones like that, they've got so many new features that they've just blown the old model out the water. It's going live on the website. Like I said at the start, it's the best price 23 new model Sport in the UK. Thank you for watching.